Greetings, class, and welcome to week 5 of the Producers Workshop. Now, this week, we're going to talk about finances and budgeting, how they go hand in hand, and again, the specifics as to what is needed for this particular project. We'll work on templates and things of that nature for a better understanding of what's needed. Who's responsible for what in regards to payment? How are we spending this money? Where are we receiving money from? Where can we spend money if it is a grant or a particular donor or funds from a particular agency like the government? So we'll talk about those different things and break it down in particular for this project. Yeah, we've heard the statement in saying that it takes money to make money, but it's also very important to have the planning in place. Very important to know how much things cost so you know where you're properly allocating them and you'll know whether or not you're going to make this money. You know whether or not ahead of time you have to cut costs or get additional investors to participate in order to help curtail your budget. Again, we'll talk about all of those things this week. I look forward to seeing you in the virtual space.